my name is Mika. I'm an illustrator from Shanghai based in New York. My work focuses on surreal human figures. This is my first long-form video on YouTube. I'm going to walk you through my full illustration workflow. This piece is called The Cost of Moving Forward. It's about growth, the kind that requires you to leave something behind, to let earlier versions of yourself come apart so something new can move through. The first stage is line work. For this piece, I work from a combination of photo reference and 3D models. Before starting the actual canvas, I set everything up in a separate file of the same dimensions, arranging the composition there first. Lines are kept precise and minimal with the intention of lowering the opacity later. Because the reference contains private content, when I bring the sketches into the main file, I use Procreate's Insert Private Photo function. That way it stays out of the time-lapse and out of the public view. Base color going with lasso and a solid brush at full opacity, blocking in large areas quickly. Even at this stage, I'm not applying flat color. Skin tone varies by anatomy. Cooler near eyes, warmer at joints and fingertips. For the hair, rather than filling everything uniformly, I use a low opacity pressure-sensitive brush for the finer areas. Individual strands, flyaways, the pieces where the hair thins out. That keeps it from looking stiff. The background is a blue gradient for now, just a value decision, something cool and open against the warmth of the skin. After base color, I duplicate and merge everything and fill with neutral gray. This let me focus entirely on volume and contrast without color competing for my attention. Once the values feel right, the grayscale layer goes to multiply. The gradient map reintroduces the color, colors in the shadows, warming in the light. For this work, I wanted the background figures to read as less resolved than the foreground, slightly flatter, slightly less present. The hierarchy gets established here. The figures in this image are the same person, different points in time, moving forward, coming apart. I think that's what growth actually look like, not a clean transition, more like something structural given away in what came before. You don't carry all yourself forward. I work across the whole image with a texture brush, skin texture, edge quality, hair strands, highlights. The foreground figures gets the most resolution. Edge control matters a lot here. Different materials have different edge qualities by nature. Getting those distinctions right is what makes the rendering feel convincing. You're making decisions about visual balance, what to push and what to reduce. You just keep adjusting until it settles. Overall adjustments, color balance, curves, hue shifts. Small moves, but they are what pull the image together into something cohesive. And that's the full process. If you want to see more process work, studies, shorter breakdowns, I post regularly on Instagram under the same name, and I have YouTube shorts going up as well. See you in the next one.